Hey YouTube, I'm Nick with Apex Chassis. Today we're taking a look at our Bronco Tie Rod kit. This is going to be a quick product overview highlighting some specs and what you can expect when your kit arrives. Let's get this open here. These are going to be pretty straightforward. You're going to have two in a box, one for the driver, one for the passenger side. That is pretty much it. So we try to keep all our parts together. You're gonna get that one main bag with all of your accessories attached to the ball head here. So you got your castle nut and a washer. Pull our protective cap off here, and this is where we can now remove the little bag that holds our cotter pin and our zerk fitting. Keep it in a little bag again, toss these off to the side, don't wanna lose them. Make sure those aren't gonna roll off anywhere. Then we've got our clamp for the boot that is gonna help you secure this to the rack. Now the first thing you're going to notice is how significantly larger this is compared to the OEM setup. These are actually 33% larger. This is going to give you all that strength and performance you need, especially once you start going with a larger wheel and tire base. This is going to give you that extra strength to push those larger tires around. We recently installed these on a Bronco Badlands edition with our friends over at Custom Built Off-Road. Right out of the gate, there's no question, you're getting that beefy look and the strength and performance you need. Whether that's going to be your daily driving or any off-road use, you're going to feel a tremendous difference the moment you've installed these things. Not a whole lot going on here, so pretty straightforward to install. You got your washer, you got your castle nut, you got your zerk fitting. Okay, these come pre-greased, so once you install that zerk fitting and you get everything buttoned up, you're only going to need to use a little dab of grease to get yourself going. I wouldn't worry about that too much. This is probably the last half of your install. Initially, it's going to be getting this end connected into the rack and then secured with your boot clamp. It's just a reverse process on the other side, guys. You have exactly the same setup here. I'll go ahead and open this up and just show you what it looks like. Oops. Like I said, we've got the same setup. Your Apex Chassis logo. Got everything you need here. All right, so all we've got left in the box is your Apex Chassis warranty card. Go ahead and scan that QR code there and get your product registered for your lifetime warranty. Whichever Apex Chassis part you're installing, make sure you're following the install instructions. Guys, that's the most important thing about our install, all right? You can't get precision without using the proper tools and the proper method. If you need a little extra assistance and a visual aid, we've also got a tie rod install video specifically for the Bronco. You can find it on the Bronco Tie Rod product page. I'll also be leaving a link to that video in the description below. So make sure you follow the instructions, use the proper tools, and get everything installed properly. Seriously guys, this is to ensure your safety and make sure we can honor that lifetime warranty. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to get these installed, go ahead and follow that link to our install video. Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.